we are going to integrate a modern and fully featured admin dashboard template called Aero into our Laravel application. I'll show you how to set up the theme, connect it with Laravel structure, and make it ready for real-world admin panel. So let's start. And here you just simple search here Aero Admin Dashboard Template. Just search this and open this second template have hub link and just simple click on it. I'll give you this link of template in the description as well. You can go to this page from by clicking on the link from the description as well. So basically this template come with light and dark mode, RTL support, multiple color schemes, and a clean professional UI that perfect for dashboard, admin panel, and SaaS application. So first of all, what you have to do is we just simple take this demo by just simple clicking on this link as well, and also I just simple click on this download and just simple download it. And now my download is started in 20 seconds. So now I just simply click on this download template, and now here you can see this zip file is downloaded. And now what I have to do is I just simply open this in and I'll show this in File Explorer, just clicking on this. And now here is my template that I downloaded in the downloads. Okay, so what I have to do here is like I just simply extracted somewhere. So I just simply extract all this to my desktop, so you can extract it anywhere you want. So I just simply extract it and just simply click on this extract. So now here you can see my complete theme is extracted on the dashboard. So so what I have to do here is like I just simply open my VS Code, and now I just simply open this folder, extracted folder of this template that is in desktop, and just simple click on it and just select folder. And now I just simply open it and just simple close this, and now these are all my pages that are in this template. So I just simply open any of the page, like I just simply open the main. So I just simply click on this and open with live server. So now it opened the theme page, and now it is just a front end. Okay, so I just simply go to the dashboard and I can check all the pages and all the things by just simple clicking on here, and it is amazing, great template. And now also from the left side I have a settings. I can change the theme to dark and light as well, and I can change these things as well according to our own choice, and we can customize it as well. Okay, so these are the component, and that is media object and other things here. So that's amazing. Okay, so now this is just a front end for your idea, and we just simple run it with live server. Okay, so now what we have to do is I just simple close this, and now I just simple create a new folder, and I just simple create this folder here and just name this as dashboard template, just this, and just close this. And now we just simply integrate this template on our Laravel application. Okay, so I just will click on file, open folder, and I just simply open the folder that I recently created, that is dashboard template. Just simply select this folder, and now within this folder what I have to do is I just simply create a new Laravel project, and we just simply go with the latest Laravel version, that is Laravel 12, and just simple write here Laravel new, and I just simple give my project name as test. So you can give your project name any other as well. Just click on it, and here it asks me would you like to install any or go with any starter kit. So no, we just simple create our project without starter kit, so pass here none, and also we don't need any testing, so just simple skip it by clicking on enter. And now it will start creating my project, and within 2 or 3 minutes my project will set up, and then we can integrate template in that. And here it asks me which database will your application use. So I just simple pass here my SQL and just click on enter. And also we need to set the default database migration, so just simple pass here yes. And also you can select me, would you like to install npm install npm run build, so just pass here yes and click on enter, and npm build, and it will add this node modules in my project as well. You can see my project is now created successfully. So what we have to do is I just simply close this, and first of all I just will go to my project, and here is my project files all here. And now first of all I just simply set up my database, and for this I just will go to my .env file, and here I already have a mysql and test. So what I have to do is I just will pass here admin template. So I just will pass this name as database, just close this, and now I just simply open the terminal, and I just simply navigate to project first using this cd test, because my project name is test. And now I just will pass here php artisan migrate. Okay, so what it does is now my database is not yet created in MySQL localhost. Okay, so when I'll just simple run this, it automatically give me option to create this database and run migration after this creating. So just will click on it, and now here you can see it is saying me that admin template database does not exist, would you like to create it? So I just will pass here yes and click on enter, and now here you can see database is also created and migration are also set up. So what I have to do is I just simply run my Laravel development server using this PHP artisan server, open this, and now it is showing me Laravel 12 welcome page. So what we have to do is we need to integrate our admin dashboard template on this. Okay, and for this I just will minimize this, and here is my admin dashboard template extract folder. Just open it, and now what I have to do is I just will copy these assets. Just copy this, and I'll just will go to my project, and it is dashboard template, that is this. Okay, just open this, go to project and go to the public, and within the public I just will pass this here. You can I just will pass this here. Okay, we can also pass this assets in whenever you are building a multi-vendor or complex application, you have to pass this like here admin assets, like that, and within this you have to pass this assets. Okay, but for now I just simply left this assets folder same as it is that I copied from the uh, admin dashboard template folder. Okay, just left this, and just I'll close this, and now what I have to do is I just simply open this, and I just simply copy any of the folder from here, like I just simply open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, and now this is open, so this is the folder, and now it is getting the assets uh, from the assets files. Okay, and also in the last it have cdns of script as well that are in this folder, that is assets. So what I have to do is I just simply copy this all. Okay, and now I just simple go to resources, views, and welcome, and this is my welcome page, welcome.blade.php. I'll just will paste this here, and now save this, and now I just will go to the browser and reload it, and now it is showing me the template here. So that's great, amazing, it is showing me all template here. So this is it, this is how you can integrate these template. And now the thing is the template is integrated in our system, and it is getting this assets from this public directory, and within the public I have this assets, and within this I have all the files that are in template, and it is getting from here. And now for your idea I just will go to routes web.php, and now I just simple copy this, paste this here, and I just will make it here like just go here, and I just will make open this file document. Okay, and in the route what I have to do is I just simple make a new view, and I just simple name this as like here document /document, and on the /document I just will return this space, that is document. And here in the views I just will create a new file, name this as document dot blade dot .php, and within this I just will copy this file document.html file and paste this here. Just save this, and now what I have to do is I just will go here and reload it, and I just simple duplicate this and go to slash document, and now on the slash document it is showing me all the document, PDFs, Excel, and all the things here. So this is great, amazing. And now this is how you can integrate these template into your Laravel application in this way. And also you can customize this, like you can delete things from it, like here I just will pass here like dashboard template unity coding. Just go here and reload it, and now it is showing me dashboard template unity coding. Also you can change here the things, like here I just simple word to change here Michael to any other name. My name, I just simple copy this, come here, this is the Michael name, and I'll just will need to I want to pass here my name, that is Tariq. Just save this and reload it, and now it is showing me my name. So this is how you can use this and integrate these template in Laravel application and use this template in your real world project or your project. And also you can customize this template like to dark theme, light theme, as well as we see in the start demo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.